I'm so excited to share my short-term rental property with you today. I'm a realtor here in Austin, and if you're kind of curious about all things hip, cool, happening, family, and design related in Austin, stick around and don't forget to live your dream already. Welcome to Casa, Cuernavaca. Come on in. Into this hallway, I think what makes this property stand out is that it has 5 bedrooms, but 4 of them are kind of oversized. So you know when you go to an Airbnb and whoever gets there first gets the best room? In this house, maybe there's a couple of rooms that are better than the others, but everyone gets a nice, spacious, big bedroom. So let me show you the first one. So this would be the ground floor master. We keep a crib in the closet over here, which is great for little ones, and lots of spread out room for a couple or even a family. This is one of the bedrooms in the house that does not have an ensuite, but there's a bathroom right across the hall. It's kind of a big circle, so the kitchen is that way, but first I'm gonna take you to the living spaces, so follow me. What's great about this house is that it's an entertainer's house because we used to live here and we love to entertain. So when we would have parties, the grown-ups go that way, and then outside, and later in the evening, the kiddos can hang out and watch a movie. For the winter months, this room is so yummy and delicious. It's got a working fireplace, and it's great to spend family holidays in here. Okay, let's head back to the kitchen. So here we are at the kitchen, and my husband and I designed this kitchen because I love to cook and we really love to entertain. So my whole ritual was, this was the prep space, all the mamas in here cooking together, kiddos sitting over here, and then we love to do buffet style. So we just make a huge buffet here and everybody hangs out on the farm table. Great house for entertaining. Oh, and I almost forgot, there's actually a second kitchen. So even your littles can be entertaining their friends. So before we hit the backyard, why don't we go check out the other bedrooms upstairs? Let's go. So when we were designing this house, this was originally going to be the master, which is why it's an oversized dual closet bedroom that overlooks the backyard with a little sitting area to maybe have a glass of wine or a cup of tea in the morning. And we do have an extra crib in here for little ones, so it's great for families. And this bedroom has its own ensuite, which is right here, but it's also got a door opening to the top of the stairs for shared usage. So this is actually the master. We have this other kid space where you can stick them upstairs if you want a little quiet time, or you can lounge out as a family and watch a movie together. So let's check out the actual master. We chose to make this room the master when we lived here because we wanted a view of the backyard. And what makes this room extra special is the bathroom with its steam shower and tub. I really have to give it to my husband on this one because it was a change of decision putting this bathroom here and making it master worthy. And so he had this long, awkward space that I really think he did a beautiful job with. And of course, the steam shower with the dual heads make it a real master's bath. So we have a dual usage bathroom again over here, kind of a Jack and Jill. And I believe this was actually the master when we purchased this home. So this was our older daughter's bedroom, but again, it's a nice, spacious bedroom for a third family or couple if they wanted to stay here. This house tends to be a house where families congregate, so we really wanted to make sure that we designed a room especially for kids. So we put the two twin size beds in here, and this is also a pull-out sofa, so another 2 kids could sleep in here as well. What's great about this outdoor patio is that it also leads to the master closet. So whether you're in the master or in this bedroom, you can come out, have your morning coffee or your evening glass of tea or wine. What I love about this backyard is the beautiful oaks and the sounds of the birds. They really do give you such a sense of calm. So of course we have the nice big pool for the kids to swim in, and this is often where the grown-ups end up hanging out in the evenings. And for the colder months, we end up by the fire pit. It's great because the pool is in shade, so it never gets too hot. It always has like a nice cool temperature throughout the year. And even when you're sunbathing, you're not getting that scorching Texas sun on you. What's great about this pool, when we moved here, our kids were 3 and 4, so they were very little, and having a pool with little ones can be scary. So there's a little step up for the little ones where they can be chest height in the water, and you can kind of keep an eye on them but feel a little bit safer. So whether you're looking to lounge on a hammock or let the kids run and play in the tree house or even pick a few fresh herbs from the garden, it's definitely a place where you feel like you've gotten away from the city vibe of Austin. You're surrounded by greens. It's just a real place that you can relax. We planted these trees 5 years ago, so we have plum, apricot, we have some herbs over here. There's peach, apple, and pear as well. They're still growing, so give us a couple more years until they bear fruit. A couple of things. So our house is managed by Guest Spaces, which is where you can find us at guestspaces.com. But I just wanted to close with saying that this is a great retreat, especially for you city folks that are thinking about checking out Austin from the bigger cities, or even if you live downtown and you just need that extra dose of green and serenity in your life. So make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below because we love hearing from you. We have videos coming out every Tuesday, and the link for this property on Guest Spaces will be in the description below. We'll see you soon. Bye.